Let's do something jazzy. This is actually a live feed from somebody else that I will be live feeding off of from myself. Musicalorgasms.com. Musicalorgasms.com. Okay, let's see what comes out of this. Here we go. Very different feel, this new one. Okay, different key, different everything. Let's see if I can figure this one out. I'm going to move on to the next one. Actually, I'm going to start a new live feed because this one is not catching any viewership whatsoever. But for the 1 or 2 people that might see this, that tune there, the one before this one was pretty fun, but this one I was currently on, there's so many modulations there and key changes just constantly, and I couldn't follow at all what they were doing. I'd have to see like a chord chart or a chord diagram or something to just be able to pick target notes to go for on that piece right there. So that's why I stopped that one, but it's a nice sounding piece, that's for sure. So I'm going to start another new live feed here in a minute. I'm going to end this one and just do something completely different from what you heard in this one. So come back in a second.